He used the button.
Uber tech moves the world. So we got the world to ask one of Uber's senior tech leaders what moves them. What is their inner Uber?
What does it take to work at Uber Tech?
The Uber tech teams are pretty fast moving. The goals are high, the bar is high. People will have to work out of their comfort zone. They will have to make sure they are not sitting and waiting for things to be told to them.
Is Uber expanding?
Uber started as a mobility business with taxis, but we are expanding to newer areas, Uber Parcel, Uber Medicines, and to support these changing landscapes. The technology has to evolve. So we make sure that the projects we work on are moving the Uber business forward, but the technology we develop as part of that has wider implications. There's always a push that we impact the open source community.
Do you get a lot of autonomy at Uber?
The extent of the innovation that is happening and the extent of ownership that the teams in Uber India Tech have has been a great revelation. I think a lot of engineers outside of Uber would be surprised to know the extent of ownership that the teams in Uber India Tech have.
So what's your inner Uber?
At the end of the day, it's new technical ideas and technology that drives me. I just get excited hearing about new stuff. So I think my inner Uber would be go get it.